yesterday.
This is 96 FM Community Pulse.
96 FM Pattaya People Radio here in the middle of Community Pulse. And in the studio, the guest today is Lauren Davidson. And one of the things you were involved with, not only here in Thailand, but also back home, is politics. And here in Thailand, you have been, in Pattaya in particular, a big part of the organization Democrats Abroad. And obviously, Obama got elected. We don't know if it was the votes from here, but maybe that also helped.
Pattaya was a big part of that. No question.
Can you tell us more about what is it that Democrats Abroad do here in Thailand?
Well, my friend Ray Buono and I started it in 2008 because his friend Phil Robertson from Bangkok was also getting it going. And Obama looked very promising. And we got about 20-30 members and drummed up a few votes, which, who knows, might have tipped the scales for Obama.
Everything counts in large amounts.
That's right. Well, they say the Democrats abroad amount to another state almost in the Electoral College, which is complicated and annoying, but that's how it works.
And what can you do for us? Can you do anything for me? I'm a European, or is it only for Americans?
Well, maybe we can keep Obama keeping the peace. How about that one? I know he's not talking about marching into Syria, so I've been happy about that.
But what is it besides helping at the election? You help people fill out the ballots, people who doesn't know how to vote when they, maybe this first year they stay in Thailand. You help them to cast their vote. But what do you do besides that?
Well, every 2 years we have an election. And if you're an expat living abroad like I am, you are registered, we suppose, we think, we hope, to vote in the state that you last voted in. If you were a resident of California and then you moved here, you probably last voted in California. So what you do is you have to apply to your state for a ballot, and they send it to you. And you send it back in. And you can only vote for federally elected officials. That's the representatives, the senators, and, of course, the president. So that's you can't vote for local officials.
The Democrats Abroad, you have a webpage people can visit?
Well, it's just DA, or Vote From Abroad. You can go to votefromabroad.com, no matter where you are in the world. The Democrats Abroad Thailand, I think we have a Facebook page. I don't know if it's updated, but can I mention we have a meeting coming up on Saturday the 1st of June at Le Menuet Restaurant starting at 11 o'clock. We're voting for new officials, but also you can come and meet your fellow Democrats.
And now you got to plug your event, then I can say that there was a reason I laughed, because you are, Lauren, into media, you connected in any way. You're one of the people I know who have most emails coming every day, but you have refused Facebook. And I want to talk with you about that a little bit later here in the show.
Hang on, nailed.
This is Community Pulse on 96 FM, Pattaya People Radio.